Yeah, okay, and then we can now do not rush the dialogue.
Let's get started.
Lane and let us
Okay,
let's get started. Think about the locus on the main message start.
Beautiful theory. Unfortunately, it led to contradiction. I can't give a demonstration of the contradiction here. So particular. And that's what happens with the number 2. The number 2.
Give me 2 YouTube video ideas based on this meeting.